What club was that at?
That was admit that a lot of people don't even realize that.
I've called her. She hasn't responded. I've called her more than a few times.
But the Zulu Nation, I'm like, what the hell is this? I know nobody know what I'm talking about. You'll leave me on the island by myself. I don't know what the hell Bishop's talking about. That's what y'all do. Then after class, yeah, I knew what you were talking about. I just don't want to be caught out there. The hell is this? Get on my damn nerves. So read that again, 31.
You heard that people haven't subscribed yet?
Subscribe now. Hit that button.
What are you waiting for? We've been on there forever. Just subscribe already.
This is what we're supposed to do as blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans. Let's see if we're supposed to be fighting each other. Let's see if we're supposed to be telling each other what I learned in prison is what we're supposed to do out here. Zephaniah 2 verse 1.
The book of Zephaniah, chapter 2, verse 1. Gather yourselves together.
God said what?
Gather yourselves together. Yea, gather together, O nation not deserved.
We're supposed to be gathered together under God's chosen, under God's commandments, as the Israelites. You're not supposed to be smoking, brother. Exactly. Read that again. We're supposed to be gathering together, not fighting. We're not supposed to be fighting as a people or divided. Come on. Oh, the Willie Lynch. Let's see what the other nations, the white man, did to divide us.
This is the Willie Lynch letter, page 8. I guarantee every one of you that if installed correctly, it will control the slaves for at least 300 years. My method is simple. Any member of your family or your overseer can use it.
My sister, what's your name? What's your sister? Sister, what's your name? What's your name? Lillian. Hi, Lillian. What's your nationality? American. Look at this. That's what the white man called you when they conquered us. But look, this is what God calls you, Gad. Now watch this. We've been divided. Do you think Mexicans and Native Americans are the same people? Huh? Yes. How so? I like your answer. How so? What else? Who lived here before the conquistadors? From North America, Central America, and South America. And who else? What about the Native Americans in the South America? What happened what happened? How did we get divided?
Also, you're a Muslim now with a cross?
How did we get divided? Because the brother's mad, he's calling me Mexican. He looks like he's native or black, right? He's mad because I'm so-called Mexican. Do the Mexicans and the Native Americans and the blacks, do we go through the same stuff? We do, right? We're in hoods, ghettos. The reservation's still ghetto, right? You know that. Drugs, alcohol, and you see that everywhere. Good. Deuteronomy. Oh, what you got? Watch this. Look at what the white men did in slavery with the blacks, the Hispanics, and Native Americans. My sister, that's getting a flag. Come look what Willie Lynch, a white slave master, did to destroy us and divide us. Conquer and divide was the game. Come on.
These methods have worked on my modest plantation. In my bag here, I have a foolproof method for controlling your black slaves.
This is what this white man said. I have a method on how to control the slaves, the black slaves. Come on.
I guarantee every one of you that if installed correctly, it will control the slaves for at least 300 years. These methods have worked on my modest plantation in the West Indies.
So now he said, I have a method, I have a plan how to control slaves. And that, guess what? Not only blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans. Come on.
And it will work throughout the South. Take the simple list of differences and think about them. On top of my list is age.
Age. Separate them by age. Come on.
But it's their...
They did that. They killed the old men and the elders and had the kids with no leaders. Right? Come on.
But it's there only because it starts with an A. The second is color or shade. There is intelligence, size, sex, size of plantations, and status on plantations.
So now, the brothers was mad at me because I'm Mexican, light skinned, right? You might not look like the brothers here, so-called blacks, right? From the tribe of Judah. But guess what? Like you said, it's still the same thing. We go through the same stuff. This is what they did. Divide them by color too. That's why also too in Central America and South America, there's something called colorism. They say the darker you are, the more uglier you are, the less smarter you are. And then they have the whites, right, up in higher class.
Let me get some of that.
Why do you think they feed her this? Let me see the beast.
Yeah.
The beast. What? This is alive. This, I got it. Who is this? That's what they said. Do you believe that's Jesus Christ? You do. They've been indoctrinating us for hundreds of years. Let's play a game of baseball. You know how they do strike one, strike two, strike three? The sister says she believes this is Jesus Christ. Now, I'm going to prove to you this is not Jesus Christ. Out of the Bible. You go to church, or you ever been to the church?
I get that on video too.
Okay, you go to church?
That interaction that's going on.
So-called
If we can get a good video out of it.
But I'm going to prove to you, he's not in the Bible. What does it mean to depict a depiction? Do you know? No. You know when you call the cops and you say, hey, the sister is wearing a purple shirt, black pants, and black shoes? I'm describing you, right? That's a depiction, a description. Let's describe Jesus Christ in the Bible. Revelation chapter 1, verse 1. Oh, what you say? Woolly hair and what else? Eyes of fire, feet of brass. You know this. Is he have what texture of hair is this? No, texture. Let's read it.
The book of Revelation, chapter 1, verse 14. His head and his hairs were white like wool.
Now, texture. Who has woolly hair today? What is woolly hair? Like sheep. What texture is this? Like what? Is it curly? It's straight. Is this woolly? It's not woolly. Strike one. Go ahead.
As white as snow.
Is this color? What color is white? Is this white? That's blonde. Hey sis. Come here. Why you mad, sis? Why you mad? Hey, let me ask you. Nah, man. Hey, come learn who we are according to the Bible. Now, we've been divided as a people. A picture of this white man has divided us. Read it again.
His head and his hairs were white like wool.
So he said, this is straight hair, right?
You want to fight a girl? You want to fight a girl?
So let's check one. Go ahead.
Fuck you, motherfucker. You know
As white as snow.
I know where the fuck
Is this white? We said that was what? Blonde. Or sometimes brown. Brown or blonde? White is white.
It's so funny how they do.
That's strike 2.
Finna get their
Whip
ass
me.
beat out, man.
Go ahead.
And his eyes were as a flame of fire.
His eyes were, what color is his eyes right there? Blue. Is that eyes red like fire? So that's strike 3. He's out. But let's continue. Go ahead.
And his feet like unto fine brass, as if they burned in a furnace.
His feet. What color is brass? Fine brass. Okay, yes. Now you burn it. It's like you get it like a trumpet and you burn it. What happens? If you burn it and it shines? No. It gets dark. It gets more black. Go ahead.
And his feet like unto fine brass, as if they burned in a furnace.
Read that flyer, sister. Alright? You're an Israelite from the tribe of Gad, according to the Bible.
That's right.
We used to scream black power while Heron was pushed. But at the end of the day, nothing's in vain. IUIC has been given a vision. The tents of Judah has risen. Many has attempted the mission, minor murmuring, omitting and missing the mark. Just reading that he had the flame of fire in his eyes gave us the spark. We on Paul's mission. We out on the road, purple and gold, from Mexico, Cuba, Haiti, Ghana, Sierra Leone. 144,000 boots banging, concrete crackling. These are how men repented at heart. The scriptures is proof. IUIC, we deliver the truth.